Hi student, welcome to my next video. Class 10 Mathematics Statistics chapter, the video number 5A9, part 9 of the statistics. In previous videos, we have to explain how we find the mean by different method, mode, median of the frequency distribution table. I also explained one small video for the OSI, a frequency distribution table, how we draw graph and find the median. Today my video is only the problem solving video. Some question is sent from your side, some small questions. Today in this video I am not taking the long questions. Mostly question we explained in previous video. So today I explain the short question. So see the question. So that's the first question you have to read. Question number 11, sent from the students. The question is, if ui is equal to xi minus 20 upon 10, summation of fu is equal to 30, summation of f is equal to 40, then find the value of mean. So you know mean is equal to a plus the different formulas. That's find mean by the assume method, that method. But here if the u use, so you can find the mean by assume mean method. So we can find that the formula Stadovese method, sigma fu upon sigma f into h. You know u is equal to x minus a upon h, and that is given x minus 20 upon 10. So h is equal to 10, a is equal to 20. You can put here sigma fu 30, sigma f 40, h 10. 0 cancel. 20 plus 4 is 28, 4 5 20. So 27.5 is the mean of the given table where this is given. I hope so you understand this. Mainly we take the question for explaining this thing. Okay, pause video, take next question. You have to read the question. I hope so. Please student, read the question very carefully, because when you not understand the question, so you can't solve the question by simpler method. So the question number 20, what's the question? Find the mode of the data using an empirical formula when it is given that median 41.25, mean 33.75, find mode. So you know mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. That is the empirical formula. You know this formula we explained in the previous video. So very simple, only putting the value 41.25 minus 2 into 33.75. Multiplication is so important for this type of question. So 17 carry 1, 3 to the 6 1 7, 3 to the 3, 3 4 the 12, minus 0 5 67 2 5 6 5. 56.25 is the mode of the which distribution table of the data where median and mean is this and this. Pause, will note down. Let's see next question. Question number 23. Yes, it's a good question. If xi is the midpoints of the class interval of the group data, fi's are the corresponding frequencies, and x bar is the mean. So find the value of summation of fi xi minus x bar. Very easy question. If you solve this question, it's so easy. You know, or we know, x bar is equal to summation of fx upon summation of f. So I hope so you have no problem. So from here we can find the value of this. Summation of fx is equal to, this is the end, so nx bar. Nx bar means n times x bar, or you can say sum of x bar n times, means x bar plus x bar plus x bar dash 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 n times. That means this. So we have to take this LHS, or you can take the question. If you open the bracket, you get this. And what is meaning? This is n x bar, and summation of x bar, this also means that is first, second, third, fourth, there's n times, because there is n times it is given. So this is also the n times of x bar cancel, so we get the answer 0. Summation of x bar means sum of x bar from 1 to n times. So 1 to n means n times x bar addition, that means mean. This is same, cancel, we get the 0. Pause, will you note down? Question 25, good question, but it is class 9th question. Karan scored 36 marks in English. 36 marks. Hindi 44 marks. Mathematics 75 marks. Science X marks. If he scored an average of 50 marks, then find the value of X. Average marks is 50, means that is mean. So basic formula to find the mean. Mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. So mean 50 given, sum first 36, 44, 75, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 observation. Then cross multiply, 54 is 200, 36, 44, 80, 155 plus x. So x is equal to 200 minus 155, 45 marks she or he current gets in science. Okay, pause window down. Question 42. You have to see the question. The question is only see very big. Solution is also because explanation is big, but the concept is very small. The question is class interval is given, frequency given, what given? 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, and 185 to 205. And the frequency is given 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 7, 4. Question 1. Find the difference of the upper limit of median class and lower limit of model class. We want to find the difference upper limit of median class minus lower limit of model class. So without confusion, we only find the median class and model class. If you find these two terms, so I hope so you are easy to solve the questions. Yes, only find the median class or one model class. So you can directly find the model class. If I say model class, so highest frequency where? This. So this is the model class, 125 to 145, because 420 is the highest frequency. So 125 to 145 is the model class. But for the median class, first we find the CF. So 4, 9, 22, 42, 56, 63, 67, means n equal to 67. So n 67 by 2 by 2. So we get 33.5. 33.5 is the mid value. 33.5 where lie after this, means this is also the median class, because 33.5 also lie between the 125 to 145, because from 23 to 42 in this, so 33.5 lie in this. So the median class also 125 to 145. So we want to find the difference. Upper limit of median class, this. Lower limit of model class, this. This is the 20. 20 is the difference between the upper limit of median class and lower limit of the model class. And 20 is also the height. But that's a coincident, median and model class same. but not always. You can find modular class for the maximum frequency and median class where the n by 2 lie. Don't be confused and directly don't solve, because they are the pet marks in the board examinations. So don't miss these marks. Pause video, note down. One student want the explanation that, sir, when you draw less than ogive, so you say, sir, the graph just like look, this. Suppose that, and this is the median. When you draw more than ogive, so okay, and n by 2 is y. Same when you draw more than ogive, suppose you get data this, and so same median is x, n by 2 is y. Okay, so always frequency is here and variety is here. This is the frequency, this is the varied, and if you combine figure, suppose that, so they also we draw xy, same, n by 2 means less than ogive, more than ogive, and the both less than and more than. If you taking the same data, so the median is same, n by 2 is same, only the graphical representation of the others. Okay, and this is only for finding median, not for mean, not for mode. Okay, I hope you understand. So pause video, note down. One student says, sir, if I am in school, so I will ask you question. Sir, you say median find by graphically by ogive, and mode is also find graphically, but mean can't be find by any graphical method. So how we find the mode? So beta, mode is find, for finding mode graphically, draw histogram. You know histogram? 0, 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, class interval, frequency 3, 8, 2, 5, 7. So we can draw a line just like this. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, class interval. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. This is the frequency. So we draw the histogram 0 to 10, 3. So 0 to 10, 3, 10, 20, 8, 20 to 30, 2, 30 to 40, 5, 40, 50, 7. This is the histogram you can draw in class 9th. But if we join the longest bar with the opposite, 8 is longest, so we can join this to this and this to this. So this is the mode. This is not in your syllabus. Approx 16 is the mode. This is not in your syllabus, but the student wants, so we explain it. Okay? Only for explaining, not your syllabus. Pause, we note down. Thank you, class.